Hi, welcome to my class. This is Shudipto and you are watching Rock Academy, and this is the 10-minute concept class. The today topic is dated if. The dated if is a hidden function of a Excel. The hidden function means this function never appeared when you are searching in a library of Excel, or if you are using equals to dated if, there is no syntax is showing, because this is not exist in the library but it works in the Excel. First, the syntax. A syntax of a formula is how the formula is works and the part of formula. Like in this formula, there is a three syntax. First is past date, because it's all about the date. Next is a current date. Then the denominator. The denominator means if you want to get the month, then you have to use the M. If you want to get the year, then you can use Y. And if you want to use the date but day, then you can use the D. Let's move to the practical example. Like this is a leap start and the leap end, and the HR is wants to calculate the days difference. Let use dated if first bracket past date, starting date or the current date, and day difference D is the 10. Let's copy and press the shift and down and control V. Same as to calculate the month, dated if, comma, and using the denominator as M. And when you are using AMD, all are the text format, and in Excel to use the text you have to use the double quotation marks. This is necessary. It is a showing 0. Next, the modify is the date. A past 1 year past, like 2/1/2023. Then there is a 12-month difference, and you can see the day difference also updated. Put this practice set, and this practice set link available in the description, and please use this practice set as a practice, because all about this practice. Just consider 20%, 80% is practice. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe if you want this video more. Thank you.